Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your railroad company business. If you receive a lot of repetitive queries about train timings and ticket bookings, then manually responding to all of these queries can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. And not only this, it will also feed all the data in your Google Sheets automatically. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. So here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like, "Hi." And our chatbot responds with, "Hi there, welcome to the railroad company. I can help you with train timings, ticket bookings, and travel alerts. What do you need?" And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one that says train timings. And it has provided us all the details. And next it is asking need full list, tab below. And it has provided us with a clickable link of all the train timings. So next I'm going to click on book tickets. And it responds me with, "Let's get your tickets booked. Please reply with number of passengers." So I'm going to select 5. And then it responds me, "Let's get your ticket booked. Please reply with route." I'm going to send Chennai to Coimbatore. And it responds me with, "Let's get your ticket booked. Please reply with date." So I'm going to send date like this. And it responds me with, "We have received your details as 5 passengers, Chennai to Coimbatore, this given date. Our agent will send a confirmation message soon." Let's see whether this chatbot has updated the data in Google Sheets or not. And as we can see here, it has added all the details automatically in our Google Sheets. Next, I'm going to select the option of delay alerts. And our chatbot responds us with, "Want to get delay alerts? Enter your ticket number or route and date in the link given below. And you will receive real-time updates," and it has provided us with the live tracking link. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot, which not only automatically respond to all the queries, but also feed your data in your Google Sheets. To create this chatbot, first we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as Railroad Company WhatsApp Chatbot. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved template. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I have added this message and here I am going to add little star signs at the beginning and at the end of the text because it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp. Our message will look like this. And here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Once we are done curating our first message, we have to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with train timings. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again and here I'm going to add all the train timings. Here I've added this message. And it will look like this to the user. In last, we have provided a clickable list of all the train timings. Next, we are going to move to the book tickets option. And for this, I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I've added this message. Let's get your ticket booked. Please reply with number of passengers. And here we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, you have to create it first. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select contact custom field as add and as format, I'm going to select number. Here it is asking us for minimum number and maximum number. So minimum is 1 and maximum, let's say 20. Here we have an option to provide number of attempts. And lastly, we have option to enter a validation message. I'm going to leave it empty. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question. And here I'm going to add. Here we are asking for route from and to. And here I'm going to select contact custom field as address. And as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the question box. Then I'm going to curate another question box. And here I'm going to add. And lastly, I'm asking for date. And as contact custom field, I'm going to select time. And as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the question box. Then I'm going to choose this option of API request. Here we have arrived on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on Create Workflow. Here I'm going to provide a name for this workflow as Railroad Company. And then I'm going to click on Create. Workflow created successfully and then I'm going to select app as Pabbly Chatflow and then I'm going to select trigger event as new message received. And here we have received a webhook URL which we are going to copy and paste it in our API request. Here I've pasted the URL. I'm going to select this as post and here I'm going to enter all the fields such as add and contact custom field. I'm going to select add. Then we have address. Here I'm going to select address and lastly we have selected a contact custom field as time. So here I'm going to see $time and then I'm going to test it. API request successful. Here we have received response, that means our webhook URL and API request is working successfully. Next I'm going to choose an action application and for that I'm going to choose Google Sheets. And then as action event, I'm going to add a new row. Then I'm going to click on connect. Then I'm going to complete my authorization and select Google Sheets. Here I'm going to select my Google Sheet as Railroad Company. And here we have received all the data. So I'm going to map the data. Firstly, we are going to select add. Then I'm going to select route as address. And lastly, as date, I'm going to select time. And then I'm going to save and send request. So we have received our response. That means it is working. So I'm going back to Pabbly Chatflow, and here I'm going to save the URL, and then I'm going to connect it to the question box. Lastly, we are going to add a confirmation message to the status fallback. Here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message which will look like this to the user. And then I'm going to move on to the last message that says delay alerts. And for this, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Railroad Company with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.